I can plus verb is used to show present ability. Examples: I can speak English a little. I can sing and dance. I can paint using watercolor. I can bake cookies and cupcakes. I can swim fast. I can climb trees. I can play the guitar. I can make yummy and healthy sandwiches. I can wake up early in the morning without an alarm. I can ride a bicycle. I can plus verb is also used to show present and future possibilities. Examples: I can help you with your house chores. I can come early for the meeting if you want. I can make you dinner tonight. I can go with you to the movies on Saturday night. I can look after your plants while you're on a business trip. I can work overtime next week. I can start with the next project right away. I can wait for you for another hour. I can drive a car only if it's automatic. I can visit my grandparents on the holidays.